students, welcome back. So today in this video we will do some division sums by using long division method. So here is one example. The question here is 7902 divided by 6. In this question, this is our dividend and 6 is our divisor. For doing this question, one must know the table of 6. Okay. So for our convenience, I am writing the table of 6 here. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54 and 6 10 ja 60. Okay. Now first we will make this format like this curve. Now we will write the dividend inside and the divisor outside this curve here. Okay. Now for starting this question, first we will check this first digit of the dividend. It is 7 here and we know that 7 is greater than 6. Okay. So we will take the number which is just less than 7. So we will check in the table of 6. It is 6 1 ja 6 and 6 is less than 7. So it is coming in one time. So we will write 1 here and 6 here. Now the next step is to subtract. Now we will subtract 7 minus 6 is 1. We will get 1. And now we know that 1 is less than 6. So now we will copy down the next digit from the dividend here. Now it has become 19. Now again we will check in the table of 6 the number which is less than 19. And when we will check, we will find that 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18. 18 is just less than 19 and it is coming in 3 times. So we will write 3 here, 6 3 ja and 18 here. Again we will subtract. So 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. Again the next step is write down this 0 here. Now the number has become 10. And we can see that in the table of 6, only this number is less than 10 and it is coming in one time. So again we will write 1 here and 6 here. 6 we will write under the ones place. Now again we will subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now again this last number is left. Because here 4 is less than 6. So we have to write down this next digit here. So we will write 2 here. And in the table of 6 now we will check for 42. So we can clearly see that 6 7 ja 42. So we will write now 7 here and 42 here. Now we will subtract again and we will get 0 0. This means in this question our remainder is 0. The number left over after division process. This is known as our remainder and here our quotient is 1317. Okay. So by this way we will solve this question. So now we will do second question. The question here is 4984 divided by 9. So again first we will make this format. Okay. And we will write the dividend inside. This means this number inside and this divisor outside. Okay. For doing this question, we must know the table of 9. So I am writing the table of 9. 9 1 ja 9. 9 2 ja 18. 9 3 ja 27. 9 4 ja 36. 9 5 ja 45. And 9 6 ja 54. 9 7 ja 63. 9 8 ja 72. 9 9 ja 81. And 9 10 ja 90. Okay. So now we will start the division. So first we will check the first digit. It is 4. And we know that 4 is less than 9. So here in these type of questions, we will take 2 digits from the dividend. So now we will consider these two numbers 49. And now we will check for the number which is less than 49 in the table of 9. So we will start checking and we can find that 9 5s are 45. This number is less than 49. So it is coming in 5 times. We will write 5 here. And 9 5s are 45. We will write 45 here. And then we will put the subtraction sign and we will subtract. 9 minus 5, 4. And 4 minus 4, 0. Now the next step is to bring down the next digit from the dividend. To copy down. Now it has become 48. Now again when we will check, we can find that, we can easily see that 9 5s are 45. Again the number less than 48 is 45. So we will write 5 here. 9 5s are 45. We will subtract this. Okay. When we will subtract, we will get 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 4, 0 and 0. Okay. Now we will write down this next digit. And this is 4 here. Now the number has become 34. So 9 in the table of 9. Which number is less than 34 here? So we will start checking. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27. It is less than 34. So we will write 3 here and 27 here. Okay, we can't take 9 4s are 36 because then this number will become bigger than this. So we will always take the number just less than this given number. Okay. Now 4. From 4 we can't subtract 7. So we will borrow from here. Okay, and it will become 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. And it will become 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. This means in this question, this 7 is our remainder and 553 is our quotient. So I am writing quotient is 553 and remainder is 7. Now we will do this third question. And here the question is 2496 divided by 14. So here 2496 is our dividend and 14 is our divisor. Here the divisor is of 2 digits. Okay. So for this we must know the table of 14. So first we will quickly write down the table of 14. 14 1 ja 14, then 28, 14 3 ja 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, 126 and 140. Now again the same steps we will follow. We will make this curve. We will write the dividend inside and divisor outside. Okay. Here it is 14. It is of 2 digits. So we will consider these first 2 digits. So we will consider 24 here. Okay. And the number just less than 24 in the table of 14 is, it's 14 only. 14 ones are 14. And it is coming in one time. So we will write 1 here. And we will write 14 here. Now 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. So our next step is copy down the next digit. Okay. Now it has become 109. So now we will check in the table of 14. 14 means 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98 and then 112. So it is greater than this. So we will take this 98 and it is coming in 7 times. So we will write 7 here and 98 here. Okay. In 98 there is only 2 digits, ones and tens. So we will write these digits under the ones and tens place. Okay. Now we will subtract. 9 minus 8, 1 and this will become 10. When we will borrow 10 minus 9, 1. So now the number is 11. So now again next step is write down 6 here. Okay. So now we will check for 116. So 116. So we can see that it is the number 112 which is just less than 116. And it is coming in 8 times. 14, 8 ja 112. So we will write 8 here. And we will write 112 here. Now we will subtract 6 minus 2, 4, 0, 0. This means this 4 will be our remainder and this 178 will be our quotient. So in this question, quotient is 178 and remainder is 4. So friends, now I hope that you understood how to solve these division sums by using long division method. So friends, if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting the notifications of my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.